Welcome to QuinnSprint. I hope everything's going well for you. Aight math gang, let's see if your brain can handle these area and volume vibes, and yo, hit that subscribe for more fire questions on QuinnSprint. Easy level. Quick question. Fast answer. Let's go. "32" Okay brain, don't embarrass me. "32" Math challenge loading, accept. "6" If your brain is braining, solve this. "24 square feet." Quick question, don't overthink it. "42" Smart people only, your turn. "2 quarts." Think fast. Solve faster. "4 foot." Your brain versus this question, go. "5 gallon." Think fast, solve faster. "36" This one looks hard, but is it? "3 hour." Medium level. Okay genius, let's test that title. £2. This problem is low-key easy. "3 mile." Solve this before the timer bullies you. "36 feet." Let's see if the neurons still work. "24." If you get this right, respect. "10-minute." Math vibes activated. Let's cook. "40%. Aight, brain, don't fail me now. "60%. No calculator. Just vibes. "20 ounces. This is your daily brain gym. "2 feet. Math, but it's giving. Confidence test. "2-inch. Hard level. Let's see if school math still lives inside you. "12 feet. Solve this before your Wi-Fi drops. "7 yards. Think you're smart. Quick test. "10 feet. If you solve this, you're SAT ready. "20 gallons. Math speed challenge, go crazy. "36-inch. Test your math IQ in 10 seconds. "50 minutes. A little math chaos for your day. "7.2-inch. Let's see, smart or lucky. "300 feet. Solve this before the beat drops. "80 ounce. Okay brain, last one, don't embarrass me. Half mile. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.